What's up, YouTube? So today I went to this event and it was like Halloween inspired, so I had to dress up, and I literally ended up waking up at the time that I was supposed to actually leave. I was like hella late, so I didn't get a chance to record it, but I just took off all my makeup and basically I'm gonna start all over again so I could show you guys what I did. It's not like anything too complicated because, like I said, I had zero time literally to get ready. I just wanted to show you guys anyway, since you know it's October and I want to do some like Halloween videos, so that's what this is. I already started with my brows. I did use this Anastasia dip brow in taupe, but if you want to see how I like actually do my brows, like an actual tutorial, then it'll be up here somewhere. But yeah, I just fill them in and cut them, and then I just concealed like all my spots and I let the concealer sit for like 10 minutes. But now I'm gonna go in with this Kosas foundation. Everything's like rubbed off, so I genuinely have no idea like what shade this is anymore, which is kind of gonna be a problem when I need to re-up on it, but it's like the perfect shade match for me, I feel like. And this morning I did use primer, but since I'm literally just redoing my makeup for this video, I'm not gonna use a primer because I'm literally gonna hop in the shower right after this. But I did use a primer, and I did use like the Magic Blur primer. Where is it? It's right here. I always call it the Magic Blur. It's the Magnet Primer. Secure the blur from One Size. I'm literally so tired right now. It's literally 11:36 and I've been trying to get myself to make this video like all day, but I just couldn't do it. But for some reason I come alive at night, and right now of course I'm getting some energy and it's almost midnight, so I don't know. For contour, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Amber Suede No. 9 contour stick. So I can chisel and snatch my face. And then I'm just using this complexion duo brush from e.l.f. Every time I blend out this contour, I always have to like take a moment to just like appreciate. Like, it's so pretty. And then I'm gonna take this Dior Forever Natural bronze. It is shattered, so I gotta be careful with it. But I'm just gonna basically set my contour with this. Then I am gonna go do my nose contour off camera. I already have a video on it and I really break it down, so go check it out if you want to know like literally exactly how I snatch my nose and give myself like basically a nose job. But I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and then basically all that's left, because like I said, this isn't really a complicated look. All that's left is some concealer under the eyes, forehead, and chin, just like normal. And then in the meantime, while I let that sit, I'm gonna grab this Nova Beauty palette, and I'm gonna go in with this cool toned like grayish brown color and kind of just run that all over my eyes. And then for the eyes, basically, I'm gonna just go in with this MAC brush, black brush stroke 24-hour liner, and just do like a little wing. And I only did like 2/4 of my eye, left the front like empty. Now I'm gonna finally blend out the concealer. I met so many people at the event today. It was honestly like really fun, and I got to try rolled ice cream for the first time. Like, I've never had that before, and they made it literally in front of me and I was like, it was so good. I got like matcha blueberry, and then you know the drill by now. I literally will not blink or look down or do anything until I blend out my eyes and set immediately after. Because one thing my eyes will do is crease. I'm gonna basically just set like this whole under eye part wherever I put the concealer already. And then I'm gonna just set basically everywhere else that I put concealer in like my whole T-zone. And then after I set, I always like to do this after I set because I feel like if I do this before I set, by the way, I'm using the, sorry, I'm like all over the place. By the way, I'm using the Milk Kush Clear Brow Gel, but what I was trying to say is that I feel like if I do this before my powder, then I feel like the powder kind of like sticks to the gel and it like creates like this little like white cast over your eyebrows. And I don't like that, so I always do this after. Sometimes I forget, honestly, but I have thin eyebrows, so there's not really like much to like gel down, but my brows are curly, so they like to, especially around the ends, they like to kind of just do their own thing. So then for blush, I'm gonna take this Milk Lip and Cheek, I don't know what it's called, but it's in the color Quickie, and then I'm gonna just add that onto the brush and then blend that onto my cheeks. Because if you just go like straight in, I feel like it'll like drag all your product like everywhere, and it'll be like way harder to blend out. But I'm literally obsessed with this blush color. Like, it looks so scary because it's so dark, but it's really, really, really pretty. And then whatever's left over, if you have too much, I like to put that on the chin and on the forehead a little bit. And since I'm not really going for like the innocent, youthful looking vibes, I'm not gonna put any on my nose. Then for highlight, I'm gonna go in with this Cookie highlight from Benefit. Just go right on top. It's literally so glowy, I'm obsessed. And then I'm gonna just put that on my nose also to kind of like snatch my nose like a little more. And then I also did put some on my brow bone. I think like the only thing left is lashes, which I didn't even bother curling my lashes this morning, honestly, but I did go in with this Smashbox Superfan mascara. And that part doesn't have to be perfect because we're just gonna put falsies on top of it. It's just more so that like your lashes blend in, like the color blends in with the falsies, because you know, with like the powder and concealer and everything, like you can kind of like tell the difference if you don't do that. I used to always like skip that part. I would never put mascara on my top lashes. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go grab my lashes real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just grabbed my lashes, but real quick before I do that, I'm gonna put this MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance setting spray. I'm gonna just let that dry though. I don't know, I literally love this makeup. It's so simple, but it's like super glowy, but it's not like a dewy look like at all. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with the little black dress lashes from Kiss. They're the same ones I used today. And then for the lash glue, I'm gonna use this Duo Lash Glue. God, these lashes do it for me every single time. Okay, so the one thing that I did do that was kind of like special for this look is I did like fake piercings on both of my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna use this Duo Lash Glue, and I ended up dropping like a bunch of these, so these are the ones that I dropped. I put them like in a plastic bag. Okay, so I just picked out 4 of them, and then I am using this, I don't know, it's like this little pencil, but it helps pick them up, and then I just stick them on my face. I literally had these on today, but literally on the Uber ride to the event, I accidentally scratched one of them off. So I was like, ugh, fuck it. Like, it looks weird if I just have like 1 on one side and 2 on the other. So I scratched the other one off, and then I ended up scratching the other ones off also. It's not so cute though. I'm gonna go grab my lip liner. I'll be right back. Okay, for the lip liner, I'm gonna use this MAC Stone lip liner. And then I just went over it with this lip glow oil in 001 Pink from Dior. That's pretty much it for the face, honestly. Oh, I was lying. I'm gonna go in with ASAP. It's this Nova Beauty gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna line the inner corner, and then I'm gonna just tight line my waterline on the bottom and connect it to the wing. Oh my god. I think I just tight lined my eyeball, not my waterline. And then for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna go in with the same mascara. And now we're for real done with the face makeup. I'm just gonna put my hair into a bun since that's what I had it in for this outfit, and then we can put the outfit on together, okay? Okay, so the hair is done. I just put it in like a low bun and I left these bangs out. And then I'm literally in the middle of putting this little dress on. I don't even know where it's from. It doesn't have like an actual tag, but I got it off Depop, so like technically thrifted, but I know it's from somewhere. I couldn't tell you where even if I wanted to. Then I'm gonna put these tights on. They're from Blue Bella and they're like literally amazing because they have like this like rubbery grippy parts. They literally actually stay on, which is the most genius thing I've ever experienced when it comes to tights. They're so cute because they have like this little like line in the back. I did use these like arm warmers as like leg warmers, and then I kept them like super like low so that it looks kind of like scrunched. And then I have this veil which is super cute. I got it from Amazon, and this necklace also is from Amazon. And then I'm gonna just take these bobby pins to like keep it all on. Alright, now I just got 2 more details, which is these earrings, which are so freaking cute. And then last detail, hold on. These Mary Jane shoes. They are so cute. They're from Windsor Smith. They sent them to me, but I'm not gonna lie, I literally want to wear these with like every single outfit because first of all they're so comfy, and then the second of all they're so cute. Like, you know? But yeah, so it's giving like edgy, like none kind of. I honestly just threw this together. I had like literally 2 seconds to get ready and this is what I came up with. So basically if you have something like this in your closet already, you can kind of throw this together and now you've made yourself like an edgy nun, I guess. And I'm literally obsessed. Somebody told me today that I look like I could be like straight out of like The Godfather, which best compliment of all time. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Let me know what you think, and if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see it. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video.